Hey everybody, good evening. This is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at TLT. This is the iShares 20-year Treasury bond. And while I don't normally look at this chart because it's been in a long downtrend, it actually looks pretty interesting and it looks like it's trying to change its trend. So this could be the time to pay attention to TLT for a long-term trend trade. Now, if you haven't looked at the 10-year yet today, we saw the 10-year come down to March levels here. So it does look like the 10-year is starting to break down, and that's going to be good for TLT. As you can see, in March, the 10-year really started to break out again. This broke down, and now we're getting the inverse of that happening. From a technical basis, I can see a pretty clear downward sloping trend line and a break above that downward sloping trend line coming on decent volume. Now, it is still early in this trend change, so I think you have time to watch this, maybe get a little pullback close to the moving averages. But as you can see, this red line is crossing above that black line, and that's a golden cross. That's the 50-day moving average crossing above the 200-day moving average. And that could signal, again, a long-term trend trade for anyone who is a long-term trader. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I got a huge list, and if you want to see it and be part of the clear rotation that's happening in the market right now, take a trial of our premium service. Click StockMarketMentor.com, and then hopefully I'll see you on the other side.